So first of all, you can sign up for free for ConvertKit, and if you like, you could use my affiliate link, which is in the description below. And once you're signed up, you can then log in. Now what we're going to do is go to automations here, and we're going to create a sequence. So a sequence is a series of emails. We're going to give it a name. And as you can see, we already have a draft email. Now, a couple of things to be aware of. The most important one is that this is only going to be sent after 1 day. So I like to change that setting to 0 days. Now, you can get a little bit more elaborate about what days you want to send it. If you don't want to send emails on the weekend and so on, you can just uncheck those. Now the other thing is that once your email is ready, it must be changed from draft to active. If you don't do that, it's just going to sit there and won't be ready to send. So what we want to do is have a sequence of 3, 4, 5 emails.